I've always been a huge fan of Studio Ghibli. There's something timeless about these films. The worlds, the emotions, the detail in every frame. And Hayao Miyazaki, his work has always inspired me. So I decided to take on this project. Not to change anything, but to make it clearer. This is not a reimagining, this is upscaling. Every film was processed frame by frame, preserving the original colors, enhancing the lines, revealing details you couldn't fully see before. On average, it took me 22 hours per film, 2 months of work. 22 films, handled individually, no shortcuts, and it required a lot more than time. Each film averages around 40 gigabytes, high bitrate, massive files, all to preserve the highest possible quality. The audio? Untouched. Original Japanese audio, exactly as intended, with English options available in some films. Because this project is about one thing: respect. Respect for the original work, for every frame, for every detail. This is Studio Ghibli. Not changed, not reimagined, just upscale. I was very careful not to create new textures, not to introduce artifacts, and not to alter what was originally drawn. The goal was always fidelity. Even so, there's always room for improvement. Some of these films are decades old, and restoring them comes with real limitations. But still, I was genuinely surprised by the results. In some scenes, you can actually see the original paint texture, the brush strokes, details that become even more visible in 4K. Each film averages around 40 gigabytes, high bitrate, massive files, all to preserve the highest possible quality. In the end, I decided to work with the H.265 codec, which is compatible with smart TVs in the .mp4 format. This way, you can simply plug it into a USB stick or external hard drive and watch it on your TV. If you'd like to enjoy this work, I've paid for hosting and uploaded the films there. To access the link, just buy me a coffee. It's a very small amount, just to help keep the files hosted. And for a project like this, which doesn't officially exist in this format, you'll see the price is purely symbolic.